Hi everyone, my name is Annette and this is Chemistry at Glance. In today's video we are carrying on with the chemical calculations and now it's time to talk about atom economy. So first of all, let me write the equation down. This is the equation written down. It's mass of required product, so the product you're trying to find the atom economy of, over total mass of reactants, so the mass of all the reactants. You can use the MR values for this, and then you multiply by 100. So I think it's best to work through it on an example. So we are told that hydrogen gas is made on a large scale by reacting natural gas, methanol, with steam, and carbon monoxide is a byproduct of this reaction. So before we even continue, we can see we have no masses. So we're going to have to use the MR. So what's best to do first is write the equation down. Because we know it's methanol reacting, so it's going to be, that should say methane. Methane, we're reacting gas methane. So methane is a carbon with 4 hydrogens around. We're reacting it with steam. Steam is nothing else than water. Then we are told that hydrogen gas is made by this reaction. So we have our hydrogen gas plus carbon monoxide as a byproduct. So we can quickly balance this equation. We have carbons and hydrogens and oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. We have 1 carbon on this side. We have 6 hydrogens on this side and 1 oxygen. We have 2 hydrogens, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen. So as you can see, the only thing that's needed on the right hand side is our hydrogen. If we add the 3 in front, we have 6 hydrogens altogether, just like on the left hand side. Now we're trying to find the atom economy of hydrogen. So the mass of required product, our required product is the hydrogen. This reaction had to be balanced before we could continue with it because this number in front, this ratio, is very important. So mass of required product, so the MR of required product, H2 itself is 2.02. But we have 3 of it, so we have to times it by 3. That's the required product. Now total mass of the reactants. So CH4, it's 12 plus 4 hydrogens, and each of them is 1.01, so it's going to be 4.04. And then we add in also the MR of H2O. Oxygen is 16 plus 2 H's, so 2.02. And at the end, we multiply by 100. The answer for this would be 6.06. The bottom would be 34.06. We multiply it by 100, and our final answer is 17.79%. As you can see, this is a very, very low percent. And in your exam, you might be asked, what does it mean that when the percentage is low? Or what does it mean when the percentage is high? If the percentage is low, that means it has a low atom economy. So it's not very affordable, it's not very good to create hydrogen this way because we're not getting as much hydrogen as we would hope to get. So if this number was much, much bigger, around 100%, that would mean that making hydrogen this way is very affordable. It's very useful to make hydrogen this way. So in this example, it's not very useful to make hydrogen this way because we don't get much of it compared to carbon monoxide. As always, for more examples, more explanation on this topic, I always leave a link for the full tutoring on this topic in the description box below. And for now, like, subscribe, and see you soon. Bye!